Hello and welcome to A Journey Through Time. Today we explore the fascinating history of beer, a drink enjoyed for nearly 9,000 years. Imagine, if you will, the world in 9000 BCE. The last ice age is ending. Humans are transitioning from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled farmers. This shift to agriculture brought about a revolution in human history. It also gave birth to one of humanity's oldest and most beloved beverages, beer. Our ancestors discovered that stored grains could ferment. This fermentation produced a lightly alcoholic drink. This drink was beer. From these humble beginnings, beer would evolve over millennia. It spread across continents and cultures. Join me as we trace the footsteps of this ancient brew. Let's unravel the story of how beer, from its accidental origins, became a cornerstone of civilization. Imagine early humans gathering wild grains. They discovered that these grains, when wet, began to sprout. This sprouting process, called germination, changed the grain's composition. It converted starches into sugars. This discovery was a turning point. Early humans likely noticed wild yeast in the air reacting with these sugars. This natural fermentation produced a mildly alcoholic beverage. It was a happy accident, and so, beer was born, not through deliberate invention but by observation and happy coincidence. This simple process, born from necessity and ingenuity, marked the dawn of brewing. It was a small step for humans but a giant leap for beer. Evidence suggests that beer brewing emerged independently in various parts of the world. In China, remnants of beer brewing date back to 7000 BCE. Archaeologists discovered ceramic vessels containing traces of fermented beverages. This discovery provides a glimpse into China's ancient brewing practices. Meanwhile, in Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization, beer played a central role in daily life. Archaeological findings, including cuneiform tablets with brewing recipes, reveal the sophistication of Mesopotamian brewing techniques. These ancient cultures recognized beer's value. It wasn't just a drink, it was a source of nutrition, a social lubricant, and a sacred offering. Section 4. Liquid bread beer in Mesopotamian society. In ancient Mesopotamia, beer was more than just a beverage, it was deeply woven into the fabric of society. Known as kas, beer was a staple food, consumed daily by people from all walks of life. Cuneiform tablets reveal that Mesopotamians even used beer as a form of payment for labor. Beer was an integral part of religious ceremonies. It was offered to the gods as a symbol of gratitude and a request for divine favor. The goddess Ninkasi, whose hymns detailed the brewing process, underscores the sacred status of beer in Mesopotamian culture. This reverence for beer highlights its profound significance in ancient societies. Section 5. The Art of Ale. 4 steps to ancient brew. The ancient art of brewing, though simple in its essence, involved a careful orchestration of 4 key steps. First, barley grains were soaked and allowed to germinate, converting starches to fermentable sugars. This malted barley was then dried and crushed, creating a coarse flour called grist. The grist was mixed with water and heated to extract sugars, forming a sweet liquid known as wort. Finally, the wort was fermented using airborne yeast, transforming the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process, though rudimentary, produced a refreshing and mildly alcoholic ale. In conclusion, the story of beer is a testament to human ingenuity. From accidental discovery to cultural cornerstone, beer has journeyed with us through millennia. Some anthropologists even theorize that beer, as a reliable source of nutrition and social bonding, may have contributed to the rise of civilization itself. So, next time you raise a glass of beer, remember, you're partaking in a tradition that stretches back thousands of years, a tradition that has shaped our history and continues to bring people together today. Cheers to that!